Mas pinalawak pa ng Microsourcing at BPO ang kanilang presensya sa Central Luzon sa pagbubukas ng bagong Service Delivery Center sa Clark Freeport Zone. Matatagpuan ang bagong pasilidad sa 6th floor ng Tower 2 City Clark Front Mall. Kaya nitong mag-accommodate ng hanggang 400 professionals na magbibigay ng serbisyo sa iba't ibang industriya tulad ng healthcare, finance, technology at back office operations. Ayon sa Microsourcing at BPO, bahagi ang pagbubukas ng bagong center ng kanilang pagpapalawak ng operasyon sa labas ng Metro Manila at pagpapalakas ng regional workforce.
Again, minimum of 10% year-on-year, all the way to 2028. You also, Andy, had a question about our growth aspiration. Do we continue to aspire to grow in Clark and in other parts of the Philippines? As a matter of fact, our belief in the talents of the countryside continue to be strong. We have 2 sites in Cebu, 1 site in Cagayan de Oro, and now here, this new site in Clark. Now, what makes this site particularly different from the others is that this is the first time that we built a site where we have Microsourcing and BPO side by side.
Sinabi ni Microsourcing at BPO CEO Heidi Enriquez na patuloy silang namumuhunan sa Clark dahil sa matatag na infrastruktura at malaking talent pool sa Central Luzon. Itinuturing ang Clark bilang isa sa mga pangunahing IT BPM hubs sa bansa dahil sa modernong pasilidad, maaasahang connectivity at access sa mga skilled professionals mula sa Pampanga at mga karatig lalawigan.
Not just dealing with local investors, we're dealing here with foreign investors as well. And we want to position that in Clark, the ease of doing business is way different from the other experiences in the whole country. So for us, this expansion is a testament that there's confidence, there's trust.
Ang bagong Service Delivery Center ay magbibigay ng mas maraming career opportunities at susuporta sa patuloy na paglago ng outsourcing industry sa Pilipinas.
Because we will be catering more of our services specifically for the workers of Clark. So a while ago, as soon as I stepped in here, we are actually doing business already. We were discussing what are the future plans, specifically as to the protection of our workforce and of course the preservation of employment here in Clark. So we're glad that we will be able to generate more employment opportunities for not only to our fellow here in Pampanga, but of course to the entire Philippines, I assure.
Batay sa datos ng IT and Business Process Association of the Philippines, inaasahang lumampas na sa $40 billion ang kita ng IT BPM industry noong 2025 na higit pa sa naitalang remittances ng overseas Filipino workers sa parehong taon. This is Patricia Mamangon, On the Spot.